So you clicked on the thumbnail, so I know why you're here, and obviously you want to see how I created that. So without further ado, I am going to show you. These are 100% inspired by Lisa over at Harmony House. If you've never been to her channel, which I find that hard to believe, considering that if you're on my channel and I'm this big, she's a lot larger than me, so I'd be kind of shocked. But just in case, on the off chance that you've never been to her channel, I will link not only her channel below, but I will also link the inspiration piece that kind of gave me the courage to want to pour this bad boy, because she's on a pretty big canvas, 40 by 80 centimeter canvas, which converted into, I don't know how much that is in standard. Americans, you need to get caught up on the metric system, make life a lot more easier for the rest of us around the world. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but regardless, let me just shut up. I'm gonna meet you down on the canvas. Let's pour a mess. Let's see if I got the wingspan to handle it, because I'm gonna tilt it because I don't spin anything, because my kitchen would be covered in paint splatter, so that's not gonna work until I get a bigger space. And as always, I'm super excited that you're here. My name is Tiffany Remijn. Welcome to my channel, and I will meet you down on the canvas while I pour out this bad boy, blow it out. I don't know.
You've got to be wondering by this point why I continue to keep tilting and what exactly it is I'm after, because even as I go back through the edit, I'm often wondering that myself. So what I'm trying to do is I want to create like a layered effect up towards the top where it's heading into the negative space. So I'm actually going to pour a couple more puddles on top of this and blow it out. I don't know if my cell activator consistency was off, or if I poured too big of a puddle in the middle. I'm not exactly sure, but at this point, I don't really even care about that. Like, I love the darkness of that black center, but I don't care about cells and lacing. That's really not what I'm going after. I probably just could have used regular black Oxide, the base paint in the center, because there's a lot of metallics and stuff in here. And I've listed all those in the description below. So anyway, be patient with me. And eventually I'll come back and talk to you some more and explain a little bit again of what I'm trying to achieve as you watch me continue to tilt this ad nauseum and wondering why I'm doing it. And I'm back. Okay, so I'm hating that whole black landslide thing that's happened at the bottom, but it is what it is. I'm going to pour another puddle down. But you see at the top, this is what I'm going after. So you'll see like the first bloom outline and then the second one kind of inside of it. I love that layered effect. I don't know, maybe you don't, but I think it's really, really cool. So I'm trying to figure out like how many blooms does it take to get me to exactly what I want. But anyway, I'll come back again probably as you continue to watch me tilt until I get the desired composition that I'm looking for.
let's review the dry result. So it's pretty huge. Sorry, I'm not looking at you. I'm trying to make sure I got this thing in frame. Yeah, okay, I think it is. Just to give you a concept as to how big this thing is, especially when I'm trying to tilt it. Like, seriously, I don't have the wingspan necessarily to tilt this thing, but I tried. So, and this is why I call it the eye of the storm. There's a big black hole in the middle. Anyway, I guess what I was trying to do and want to explain to you as to what I created. So as you can see, hold on, let me get a little closer. Sorry about the reflection. It's pretty mirror-like, huh? So the top is the original first pour, bloom, blowout thing. And again, it's really not a bloom. I just don't know what else to call it. I really don't know. Really, it's a pour with a blow dryer, with a hole, black hole. Yeah, eye of the storm, hurricane. So this is the original bloom. This is the second one. And then this is the final one. And what I love is the variation in the color. You know, more intense, less intense, as I kept tilting, because you saw that at nauseum. So yeah, this is it. And it's like, you know, she's a big one. So I hope that you enjoyed today's pour. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to paint a sister piece, because if you checked out Lisa's channel, as I told you to in the very beginning, in case you didn't, it's still down in the description. It hasn't changed. Let me know if you want me to do this one as a sister companion on the white background with all the blacks and pewters and what is it? And silvers and pearls and whatever else I threw in here other than the kitchen sink. And see if I can create a sister piece to this. Yeah, but pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about it. And if you happen to like my content, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can see when I do other big things that I can't handle and can't tilt. Yeah, okay. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.